Step 1. Verify game files. If you are using Steam, click on Open it. Right click on Destiny 2 in your library. Go to Properties. Then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Step 2. Now go to Windows search bar. Type GeForce Experience. Click on Drivers. Click on Check for Update. And download if any updates available. Download the update. Step 3. First, ensure your operating system is up to date. Go to Windows search bar. Type Check for Updates. Click on Open it. Click on Check for Update again. Install if any update available. Install it. Step 4. Open Task Manager. By right-clicking on taskbar, you will open Task Manager. Now close any unnecessary background application that could interfere with the game by right-clicking and selecting End Task. Right-click and click on End Task. Step 5. Adjust launch option. In Steam, right-click on Destiny 2 in your library. Click on Properties. And under Launch option, copy and paste the launch option provided in my video description. Copy the code and paste there. Click OK to save it. Disable overlays. To disable Steam overlays, go to your Steam library. Right-click on Destiny 2, select Properties and disable the Steam overlay. In Discord, go to User Settings. Navigate to the Game Overlay section and turn off the in-game overlays. Clear download cache. Open Steam. Click on Steam tab at the top right corner. Top left corner, select Settings. Click on Downloads on the right side. Click on Clear Download Cache. Confirm the action. Adjust virtual memory. Increasing virtual memory can help if your system is running low on RAM. Go to search bar, type run, open it, type sysdm.cpl and click on OK to open system properties. Select the advanced tab under performance. Select settings. Go to the advanced tab under virtual memory. Select change. Uncheck automatically manage paging file size for all drive. Select C drive. Set a custom size based on your RAM. Now check my video description for recommended values. From here, select your RAM size and paste it. Click Set, then OK. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.